Hello everyone. So welcome to the third lecture of this series on GUI development. So today I would like to teach you another widget which is a very interesting widget. It's the button. So let's get started. So like in the last class we put the command label to introduce a label. Here likewise we will use a command button to add a button, and where this button will be placed in the window root. And now you can see that my button hasn't come because I have not placed it in the root. So I'll just copy the last line and I'll place it somewhere at the bottom, something like here. Now let's see. So you can see there is a small button and this button has nothing in it, but I can still press it. So let's add some text in the button. So this we can do by, and I can write something like click me. Now you can see the button has come which says click me. Now one interesting aspect of a button is that I can have a backend at my button. How can I add a backend? By defining a function. Let me define a function like ensure. You can write any function name, and here I would like to print something like the button has worked. And now what I do, how do I connect this front end button to a back end function? I just put a command equals to ensure. Let me run this. So here you can see that as I press this button, I get the answer. So the button has worked. Let me put another button which will quit the UI. So what I would do, I would copy this, and here I can write something like exit, and I would place it somewhere here, and let me define a function exit GUI. And what is the name of my window? It's root. So root dot destroy. Now I will call this function for this button. Now let me run this. Now you can see that I have a button exit, and if I press click me, it prints the button has worked, and if I press exit, it just exits the UI. Thank you so much. You can try out more buttons of your choice. Have a nice day.